Are you living your authentic life? This question is more than just a philosophical musing. It's about a lifestyle, a way of being that aligns your actions and choices with your true self. Authentic living means embracing who you are at your core, not who you think you should be, or who others want you to be. It's about letting your true colors shine through, and living in harmony with your deepest values, beliefs, and desires. But how can we achieve this state of authenticity? Well, there are 5 things we need to stop doing. 5 barriers we need to overcome. 5 shifts we need to make in our mindset and behavior. These aren't quick fixes, but practices that require conscious effort, self-reflection, and perhaps a bit of courage. So what are these 5 things that we need to stop doing to live more authentically? Let's dive in. First, we need to stop prioritizing external validation. Now, what do we mean by that? Think about the times you've sought approval or validation from others, whether it's likes on a social media post or praise for a job well done. It's a common human tendency, but it can become a hindrance to living our authentic lives. Cutright, a scholar in 2014, shed some light on this. He highlighted the importance of vulnerability and courage for authentic living. These traits allow us to let go of the need for external validation. Instead, we start focusing on our own values, beliefs, and desires. It's about living in alignment with who we truly are, not who others want or expect us to be. This is not to say that recognition from others isn't nice, but it shouldn't define our self-worth or dictate our decisions. Remember, your worth does not depend on others' approval. It's time to embrace our unique selves and live authentically. Second, stop living according to societal expectations. Society, with its set norms and standards, often dictates how we should behave, what we should achieve, and even who we should be. But remember, these expectations are not necessarily a measure of who you truly are. Gardner and his colleagues in 2005 highlighted the importance of living in accordance with our true selves. This means breaking free from societal expectations that do not align with our own values and beliefs. It's about questioning and challenging societal pressures. It's about making choices that are true to ourselves, not because they're expected, but because they resonate with who we are. This is not a call to rebel without a cause, but a nudge to reflect, to discern what fits and what feels out of place in your life. It's your life. Make it count. Third, stop suppressing your emotions and thoughts. Suppressing emotions and thoughts is like putting a lid on a boiling pot. Eventually, it's bound to overflow. This suppression can lead to lower relationship satisfaction, as found by English and John in 2013. Not expressing what you truly feel or think might make you seem agreeable in the short term, but in the long run, it's a barrier to living an authentic life. Remember, acknowledging your emotions and thoughts isn't a sign of weakness. Rather, it's a testament to your strength and authenticity. It's about giving yourself permission to feel, to think, to be. It's about allowing your true self to shine through, unfiltered and unabashed. So start embracing your emotions and thoughts. Be true to them. Express them openly and honestly. Don't let them be a silent whisper in your mind. Let them be a bold declaration of who you truly are. Your emotions and thoughts matter. Acknowledge them. Fourth, stop comparing yourself to others. It's a trap that's easy to fall into, but it's one we must avoid if we're to live authentically. A study by Lenton and colleagues in 2016 found that those who prioritized the need for meaning or purpose in life were more likely to live authentically. On the other hand, those who focused on external factors like wealth or social status experienced greater self-alienation. This comparison game is a dangerous one, as it can lead us to lose sight of what truly matters. It distracts us from our own values and what brings us true fulfillment. Instead of looking to others and basing our self-worth on their accomplishments, we need to turn our gaze inward. We need to focus on our own journey, our own growth, and our own happiness. After all, it's our life we're living, not someone else's. Your journey is unique. Embrace it. Finally, stop living inauthentic roles. We all play various roles in our lives, whether it be as a parent, employee, or friend. Yet sometimes, these roles we play can detach us from our genuine selves. This is a concept that Wood and his colleagues touched on in 2008. They suggested that authenticity is about engaging in the existential challenges of living. So what does this mean? It means that to live authentically, we must cease to perform roles that don't harmonize with our true selves. When we force ourselves into roles that don't reflect who we are, we're not only being inauthentic, but we're also robbing ourselves of the chance to live genuinely. Instead, we should strive to align our actions and choices with our authentic values and beliefs. It is through this alignment that we can begin to live more authentically and genuinely. Be true to yourself, always. So, are you ready to live your authentic life now? We've taken a journey together, unraveling the 5 things that often hold us back from living authentically. We've learned that it's essential to stop seeking external validation, to free ourselves from societal expectations, and to cease suppressing our emotions and thoughts. We've also recognized the importance of not comparing ourselves to others, and the need to break away from inauthentic roles that don't align with our true selves. Living an authentic life, as we've seen, requires making conscious choices that reflect our true values and beliefs. It involves courage, vulnerability, and a deep commitment to self-discovery. It's about embracing who we truly are, with all our strengths and weaknesses, hopes and fears. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more insights on living an authentic life. Remember, the journey to authenticity starts with you.